Welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you this crispy breaded chicken cutlet with a mixed kale and baby romaine salad that is just an absolute perfect lunch for spring and an impressive one at that. All right, let's dive into the recipe. All right, so for this recipe, I'm gonna keep things super duper simple, but good kitchen fundamentals make this one special. So get 1/2 of a butterfly chicken breast and sandwich it between 2 pieces of plastic wrap and give it a few dozen pounds with a medium-sized pot to flatten it out for quick cooking. Once the chicken breast is flattened, remove it from the plastic and back onto a tray. Season it with just salt, black pepper, and then a good drizzle of buttermilk. Coat on both sides and let this sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. An hour is preferred, but 30 to 45 minutes will do. All right, so while we're waiting for the chicken to meld with the buttermilk, I'm going to put together a light salad made up of curly green and purple kale, purple romaine lettuce, and some celery leaves from the garden. On top of that, I'm going to slice up some red onions, keeping them fairly thick so they stand up against the sort of heavier fried crispy chicken, along with some chunky avocado slices and super duper thin sliced lemon zest, just to keep this salad even more refreshing than it already is. Cover this with a wet paper towel and keep it in the fridge until you're ready to dress. All right, so now that the salad is out of the way, you're gonna remove the chicken from the fridge and generously coat both sides with finely chopped Italian-style breadcrumbs. Flip once or twice to ensure there is a really good coating, because this one we're not using any egg bath. So if you can, after you're done breading the cutlets, it's really nice to let them sit in the fridge for about an hour or two in order for the crust to really develop. But if not, as soon as you're done breading, just carefully drop the breaded cutlets into a thin layer of vegetable oil that's at 375 degrees Fahrenheit in a medium to large pan, and fry each piece until they are a golden to dark golden brown, maybe about 7 to 10 minutes depending on sizes and amounts being fried at one time. Once the chicken cutlet is done frying, you're gonna transfer it to a tray with a paper towel to catch any of the excess grease. Then quickly fry up some fresh sprigs of thyme and rosemary for a nice little garnish when you're plating, and it's time to dress the salad with a generous drizzle of olive oil, freshly cracked black pepper, a pinch of salt, and a squeeze of a lemon, and it is time to plate this bad boy up. All right, so as you can tell, this one is pretty self-explanatory. First goes down the beautiful breaded crispy chicken cutlet, then the fresh salad with the fixings right on top for presentation, and the fried herbs to finish. And there you have it, the perfect excuse to eat fried chicken for just about any meal. Alrighty, what's up guys? Hopefully you enjoyed my take on this chicken cutlet. This is really a fun, ideal meal for summertime, spring, warmer months. I love these types of recipes. Really light with the salad aspect behind it. Avocados have that richness, the lemons. One of those meals that's just like super refreshing and pops with that zesty flair. Greens from the garden, crispy breaded chicken cutlet. I'm gonna dive in, run through the flavors, and tell you guys how I did. Ooh-wee. Ooh, you could even bake these to make it even a little bit lighter. But boy, oh boy, ooh, crispy. Got that little avocado. Ooh. Wow. You could throw this on a sandwich, put it on a wrap. So many different ways you could prepare this. So good. There's loads of different ways to play around with this. I had a lot of fun making it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my take on this chicken cutlet with a spring and summer salad. If you did, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoy what I do here. The recipe for this, or the ingredients, will be in my description box. Check that out all the way down at the bottom. Comment down below for future video requests, things like this you want to see on my channel, other recipe ideas, and I will see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, folks.